Welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's discuss strategy. In trading, in Forex, there's thousands of strategies. There's thousands of strategies you can see anywhere. There's thousands. In fact, if you type trading strategy or maybe Forex strategy on Google now, you will see thousands. And the funny thing is that if you are not careful, if you are not careful, you'll be confused. If you are not careful, you will enter strategy that you pick the strategy that will take you like 6 years to be profitable. I'm telling you the truth. There are thousands of strategies. And the funny thing is that traders don't always like the simple strategies like maybe support and resistance, maybe trend lines, maybe demand and supply. They don't like it. They want that strong strategy. They want that strong strategy that once they mention it in your ear go dey make sound. For them, they think that the name of the strategy or maybe how the strategy sounds, that is how big it should be, or maybe how profitable it should be. But simple support and resistance, only, or maybe even simple trend line can make you more money than that your molded or maybe sophisticated strategy. What am I saying in essence? You don't need too much. You don't need to go too far for forex strategy. You don't need to maybe stress yourself up for forex strategy. Simple things. Just choose basic things. Know the basics first. Stop chasing strategy. When you enter this game new, you always want this. You always hear different strategy, and once you hear this one, you run to that one. Once you hear this one, you run to that one. And with that, you are wasting your money, you are wasting your time. The best option is for you to know the basics first. Once you know the basics of forest first, then you will know where to stand. You will know whether maybe support and resistance you want to be trading. Maybe you want to be trading HFM, you want to be trading QOY, you want to be any strategy, but you need to know the basics before you start choosing any strategy. And then when that your strategy starts giving you some signs like maybe it's not working or something of that nature, no strategy is 100%. I think I've said it, or maybe I haven't said that, but no strategy as far as trading is concerned. If strategy is 100%, ah, some trader would have been swimming in millions, in billions of dollars, but that's not it. No strategy is 100%. So stop chasing strategy. The ones you have, modify it. Use proper risk management and see how far you go. Modify it. Use proper risk management. Document your trades. Then you will see how far you will start going. Stop jumping from one strategy to another. One strategy to another. It will do you no good. Yes. Choose one. Choose one. Modify it, and you see yourself growing. That's just what I want to pass to you now. Then you, as a newbie, strategy, don't go there now. Just learn the basics now. If you take the basics, then the strategy will come. Know the basics of forest so that When you know the basics, when they present different strategies to you, or maybe when your mentor present the strategies to you, you yourself, you will digest it yourself, and you will know what to do with the strategy. There are some guys that learns from maybe other forex traders, or maybe their mentor. They are not using the same strategy with their mentor. They are not using the same strategy with your mentor. Why? Because they know the basics. They can just modify their mentor's strategy, or maybe use another one entirely. Why? Because they know the basics of forex. So the first thing, know the basics, then before chasing strategy. And once you see strategy that is giving you at least 50 to 60, or maybe 70% win rate, 60 is good. You're good to go. You're profitable already. So stop chasing strategy, and then master the game first. Know the basics, and you will succeed. If you want to use my broker, I use XNES. You'll find a link below, and then register and start trading. Thank you.